In this video I'll walk you through how to change the engine oil and oil filter on a 2011 Nissan Navara D40. The engine featured is the Y25 140 kilowatt Euro 5, but the process is similar for many other vehicles. You'll learn which tools you need, what type of oil to use, a more affordable alternative to the original Nissan oil filter, and how to reset the service reminder on the dashboard. What tools do you need? An oil collection tray, an oil filter removal cap size 93 millimeters, and of course an oil filter. And good quality engine oil with manufacturer's prescribed viscosity. Apart from a few pieces of basic tools, you also need some dedicated tools that you won't use every day. Invest in a decent set of these, because you will have earned back the expenses with the first oil change you do. And a decent set will last you a long time. And the funnel. If you have some spare money, get a torque wrench. Clean the old filter and undo it a few turns so it can drain itself without coming off. Clean the oil collection tray. That way you can check for metal particles or water in the old oil, and you can be sure it's not something that was already in the tray. Clean the surroundings of the crankcase plug and unscrew it. It pleases the automotive gods if you spill the first liter or so. Take the oil filter out. I'd like to write the date and mileage on the new filter. Clean the filter housing and grease the rubber seal of the new filter. Use some clean engine oil or grease, doesn't really matter. The original Nissan oil filter is a MAN filter, but this exact filter, but in the MAN carton, will save you around 10 euros. Same brand, same quality. For the 140 kilowatt engine you need this number, W920-48. Screw the new filter back and tighten it by hand. Not massive tight. If it should leak, which it won't, trust me. You can always tighten it a bit more, but really it does not have to be tight. After this, get the crankcase plug with the new seal and look closely. It has a flat side and a curved side. The curved side goes toward the engine. I use a new plug as they are cheap and I have not serviced this car before. I like to mark everything that is torqued to the correct setting. That way it's easy to spot if I've forgotten something. And it also looks very cool. Fill her up with fresh oil, about 1 liter short of maximum. Let her run for 30 seconds, shut the engine off and wait for 5 minutes for the oil to settle in the crankcase. Check the oil filter and crankcase plug for leaks. Check the dipstick and fill her up to a little below maximum. If all is good, take her on a drive until the engine has reached operating temperature. Let her rest for 5 minutes and check oil level with the dipstick. Add a little more oil if needed. The total oil capacity of the engine is around 8 liters, but you can only extract around 6.8 liters. For this engine, Nissan advises a synthetic 5W30 engine oil. The service reminder reset goes as follows. Ignition on. Service miles show. Ignition off. Press the button right of the instrument cluster and switch the ignition back on. And wait a few seconds. The new mileage will appear. Job done. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car care tips. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.